Good morning friends. Today I'll tell you how to propagate aloe vera from one plant to 1000 plants just in 1 year. You see we have propagated and you say automatically they have propagated their own through the pups they have grown. Just see, let me separate them one after another. I am separating the plants from here and you can see the trick. I am telling you how the nursery people propagate aloe vera so fast, so easily, and so much of number. And you see, in one plant, in 1 year, you can see these kinds of growth. And only thing you have to grow it properly, and you have to give proper sunlight, and they don't need much of water. They are some xerophytic type of plant, so they don't need much of water, but they can propagate easily, and they have lots of medicinal and herbal importance, so you can grow easily. And in this video I'll tell you what you can do, how you can propagate, in what mixture of soil you can grow it, and how you can transplant it in which size of pot. So these are the plants that in 1 year time, around 2 years back, I have grown one plant, and from one plant they have done multiplied it to 4 to 6 plants in pot. And then I have put some soil around the pot. I have put around the pot was around. I have put soil around the pot, and the plants automatically they have invaded that new soil area outside, and they propagated a lot. This is the bunch, you can see big bunch of this aloe vera. And once they get enough space and some slanting area, they propagate easily, and from there through the division you can propagate it. And you see lots of plants. There are more than 200 to 300 plants here, and I only have around 50 pots, so I'll be reporting it, and I'll distribute it among the residents of this place. And you see, and soil mix, I am taking 70% garden soil, plain garden soil, and in that I will be mixing only 30% compost. 30% compost I will take from here, and in that you can grow. If you don't have compost, then you can skip it, and if you want you can add 10% river sand also, maybe white river sand or yellow river sand, both the sand will do. So if you have, or else if you don't have anything, you just grow in plain garden soil. Many of the nurseries people I have seen, they are growing in plain garden soil, even they are not adding compost also. So this is the easiest plant, and they have lots of medicinal importance. So in 3-inch pot I have to break the bottom portion here. This is a very long, and root system is very feeble, so the stem system is strong, and you have to propagate it easily. So I will be growing in 3-inch pot. After around 5 months or 6 months, I will transplant in 5-inch pot, and after 6 months I will be transplanting in 8-inch pot. And after 6 months, then after 6 months you will see the 5 to 8 pups will be come out from the base, and from there in the next year you can do the practice of putting soil around the pot outside, make a slant around the pot, and some of this pyramid kind of soil sand slant, and then they will automatically invade the area, and they will automatically propagate it. Just make sure they get enough sunlight, and moderate water, and time to time watering is necessary, but they don't need much water. They don't need soggy soil. The only thing is the soil should be well drained soil. And these are the 3 pots I'll be growing here. I have around 20 pots right now with me, and today I'll be transplanting around more than 50 pots, and rest I'll keep it in my. And if you keep it as such, you can keep it around 1 month or 2 months. There won't be any harm in keeping this plant as such, but after that you have to grow in soil or in sand or these kinds. After putting it, I am putting some water here, and you have to water it very judiciously. Once in a week or twice in a week is enough for watering this aloe vera, and they retain water inside the stem or leaf, so that's why they don't need much of the water, and that's why. And after 3 months or 5 months I will be transplanting in 5-inch pot, and then after 5 months again I'll be. And these are the lots of plant I have to transplant in 5-inch or 8-inch pot, and then there are some of this. So this is the easiest technique, easiest tip you can grow. If you want in soil mix, you can add rice husk also. The nursery people are also adding rice husk in the soil. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.